Learning is fun. Learning with Zaki.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to teach us many things, and the most important of them are the 5 pillars of Islam. Do you know the 5 pillars? Let's say them together. Number 1, Ash-Shahada, to say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, which means there is no one worthy of worship except Allah, and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his final messenger. Number 2 is Salat, the prayer, the 5 daily prayers. Number 3, Zakat, to give the yearly charity. Number 4 is Siyam, fasting the month of Ramadan. And number 5 is Hajj, going to Mecca and performing the pilgrimage. Salah will be the first pillar that Allah will ask us about on the Day of Judgment. So it is very important to pray on time and concentrate in your prayer. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Do you want a house built for you in Jannah?